And we are live. Hello, digital savvies. Welcome to the first edition of my Digital Business Insights broadcast. And the first lesson for today is called or titled Google Analytics Custom Segments for Nigerian Marketers. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to generate blog post ideas using the custom segment in your Google Analytics account. The reason why I created this tutorial is because a lot of content marketers, bloggers, including myself, when I first started in this digital space, had problems creating or drumming up blog post ideas that my audience cared to read. So that's why I created this tutorial. And I found out that the answer is just sitting right there in your Google Analytics account. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Um, so I'm going to screen share this so you can see what's happening right now on my desktop. All right, so now we are here. Under the first things first, I will share the link with you later in this, right below the, after this broadcast. So first we need to log into Google Analytics Solutions Gallery. And there's this tool which Justin Rondu created. He's a well-known digital marketer from digitalmarketer.com. So you can check out the site later. So this is a tool that he created called question-oriented keywords. You can use this to generate question-oriented keywords that people do type into Google before they found your site. So what we're going to do now is to click on import and make sure you're already logged into your Google Analytics account so this can work. Else it won't work. Make sure you already have the admin access to your Google Analytics account. So we click on select view and I will select one of the accounts which I do manage and then click create. So a segment will be configured for you. Yeah, so that's it here. The conditions, keyword matches, who, what, where, when, why, and how. So once you're done, you click on save. The next we do is save the, and then next we go to your reporting. And you scroll down on the left hand side of your screen, and then you click on all traffic source stroke medium. Then we're going to scroll down, and what you need to click on is the Google stroke organic. Okay, and you can see next you click on order, the link here, which is called order. Click on acquisition and select keyword. All right, now you can see all the keywords people use to locate. There are about 1,330 keywords. So these are the keyword people. But now we're going to filter out these keywords to just show only the question-oriented keywords. And that's where we scroll up and click on add segments. And next you type question. So we select question-oriented keywords, scroll down a bit, and click the blue button, apply. All right. Now, before we go, we need to remove this all users segment. The reason for that is so that we can only show the question-oriented keywords. Now, we have just the question-oriented keywords. So we scroll down, and here we have it. We have all the questions people typed into Google before they found this site. So you can see questions like, what can I export from Nigeria to Dubai? What can I import from Dubai to Nigeria? Because it's a freight forwarding company. What is so fast sold in Nigeria market now? The Chinese company that will sell you the best stock jeans at a low price. What's the banned export crops in Nigeria? So these are very good blog post ideas that you can write about. So now let's see how they found the site in the first place. So let me copy one of the keywords, which is the first one. What can I export from Nigeria to Dubai? Then I go to my Google search and then paste in the keyword. Okay, so now we have, that's the keyword, that's the blog post. And then you can click on it. Which brings us to the site, the blog, to the blog. Okay, so now we can see the blog post that was written that led people to the site in the first place. So I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial. Now you might be asking yourself, what if I don't have access to the Google, the companies? Let's assume that you're working for a company and you don't have direct access to admin access to your Google Analytics account. Well, in that case, you might need to find out who is in charge of your company's Google Analytics account, whether it's the IT specialist or the IT manager or your boss, and then explain to him or her the importance of this Google Analytics custom segment, which will help in your creating content for the company's blog, and then also ask them to give you admin access, or just by sharing your Gmail account to them. Let's show you how that is done, just in case, so you can share this video with them. So the next thing you need to do is ask them to go to admin and then scroll to user management under property, and that's where you can add, there you can now type in your Gmail account, your email address for your Gmail account, and then they click add. Then tell them to give you either manage users rights and edit, and then they add you, and that solves the problem. So you don't need to log into their account just to have access. They don't need to give you their login details to have access to the Google Analytics account. All that is solved. I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. So what next? What's the next step? Now, the next step is you should take this very seriously. If you really need to create content that people love and you want to drum up ideas that you can use to better your services or your products, maybe create ideas for creating that next best-selling product or service. This, what people ask in Google, what people's needs are right now is what you should be create content for. Create content, products that people actually need, not what you need. So next step is to log into your Google, click on the link, which I've already provided in this tutorial, log into your Google Analytics account, and then apply the step-by-step guide, which I shared with you in this video. And until I see you again next time, be happy digital marketing. Bye for now.